Good morning, friends. Orlando Gomez here with KOONS Falls Church to bring you another KOONS Lot Talk video. This week, we are checking out one of our many quality pre-owned vehicles with this monster F-250 Super Duty. It is a 2020 F-250 Platinum Crew Cab with some custom upgrades that make it one of my favorite pre-owned vehicles here at our store. In this short video, we will get into the features and upgrades on this truck that make it truly spectacular. Why don't we have a look? Okay, so first, let's talk about the base of this truck. It's a 2020 Platinum F-250, which means it's loaded with all the luxury features inside and out. This includes features such as LED headlights with LED running lights, color matched bumpers with chrome trim on the grille, mirror caps, and door trim. Power folding side steps, and on the inside, dual panoramic moonroof, heated and cooled leather seats, factory navigation, push button start, trailer brake control, blind spot monitoring, and much more. Additionally, this truck is powered by the classic 6.7-liter Powerstroke Diesel, and it's an FX4 package. So it's truly packed with all the best options. Now for the custom upgrades, this truck has a massive lift kit, making room for these 37-inch Nitto Trail Grappler tires and a gloss black with a milled edge Fuel Offroad wheels. With these few tasteful upgrades, you have one of the sharpest looking diesel trucks with the perfect stance, guaranteed to turn heads. Be sure to click on the link below to see the complete listing of this vehicle or browse our complete inventory selection of new Ford vehicles and hundreds of quality pre-owned vehicles at www.koonsfordfallschurch.com. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit our notification bell so you never miss a video in the future. As we continue navigating the challenges of COVID-19, KOONS Falls Church is proudly offering our KOONS Concierge program, offering you the simplest and most convenient way to buy a new or a pre-owned car. Visit koonsfordfallschurch.com and check out our massive selection of new and used vehicles online. Get on-demand virtual walk-around videos sent right to your phone, complete the entire purchase 100% online so you never have to leave the comfort of your home. And select our in-home delivery or curbside pickup to respect social distance and guidelines. With the KOONS Concierge program, we do it all for you. KOONS Falls Church, over 3 million sold, and voted one of the best places to work. Thank you so much for watching.